Hello guys, good morning, welcome to Agro Expression. Okay, today we'll be teaching you in the last video I was teaching you as how we're planning to make our new farm, and I was saying who that is interested in the farm of pineapple. This is our new farm of pineapple that we're beginning. So I'll be showing you the follow step. If you have a project like to your new farm pineapple. If you are interested of the business of agriculture doing pineapple, how to make money in it. This is our old farm that we have moved the sucker inside and we have already finished to harvest. So as you people can see, this farm was finished, and this is the new one that we're about to start. So a weeks ago, 3 weeks, we planted it as I showed you in the last video. If you have not gotten it, go to our last video and you'll see as how like we were like moving soccer and teaching you as how they move it. And this is the new farm that we planted. Immediately you have moved it like this. Immediately you have put the PA like this. As how I show you in the last video. I will just like explain. As how I showed you in the last video, as how we're peeling it like this. Then you just put it in the ground. So after 3 weeks, we like putting our manure. So that because it's the base, I always like prescribe the base of a plant matters a lot. Even of an animal, even of a human being, the base matter a lot. That's how they determine of the crop or the plant that you are projecting or the project that you're projecting. So start it very well so that you'll be like hoping for good result. Like this our new farm, and I'll be like putting manure today. Today I'll be showing you as how they put the first manure on it. And pineapple is like this. After every month you throw his fertilizer, urea. He take only urea and manure so that your fruit should be natural. People within market in the market, we are the first in the market because our fruit are natural and very sweet. So I'll be teaching you also how to make your pineapple very sweet in the next video to come. So always like and subscribe for more videos, and I will be showing you now how to put manure, the first manure that you'll be putting, because you see like this, your pineapple have already take. So you that is interested, you can ask question, you can comment and share. Make sure to share. So today I'll be showing you the first step. After planting, the first step, you scatter your manure like this, and make sure that the manure of pineapple enter inside him like this, as how people can see it. People can see as how I put it right inside like this. That's how they put his manure. You put it inside like this. After like 3 months, you still put his manure. After 3 months, you put his manure. I'll show you your fruit will be like the best in the first choice in the market. Even when you want to send it to whatsoever, your fruit will be the best. Even in supermarkets all over, your fruit will be the best and it will be very natural. We don't take our fruit with chemicals, no. We take our fruit naturally. So we start with manure. Manure is a natural product, so we take it very naturally. So subscribe, like, and follow for the next video that will be making us how to put the second step of pineapple, as how we like planning to put the first fertilizer, and I'll show you the type of fertilizer that they put inside pineapple. Thank you. Okay, guys, we're inside our new farm of pineapple. We'll start a new project, a new season in pineapple. You that is interested in agriculture of pineapple, in my first video of how to work pineapple, in the first stage, the basic stage, I show you how to plant it. I show you behind as how to put manure inside. As you guys can see, this is our manure that we have already thrown on it for the first stage, because we'll make our pineapple very natural and very sweet. So we take it in a very natural basic stage. So we don't put too much fertilizer, we don't push too much thing. We put but natural product. We deal with natural product so that our pineapple should be natural in the market and should be the first choice in even in Ambassade de France. So they should be very natural. So as you can see, you see as how the pineapple you have taken is doing well. As you are seeing, the pineapple is very beautiful. Look at all the farm that we have started here. So this is the farm that we're supervising now, so that it should become a success. This is one of our apprentices that started a farm. This one of our lady that started a farm. So we are supervising the farm, and the farm is doing well. You guys can see as how the farm is doing well. you self, you can see as it's doing well. Okay, so go on my YouTube channel, Agro Inspiration. You'll be seeing as how we'll be showing you as how to start treating this farm, because and as how to treat give him food so that it should remain natural and grow natural. So first of all, at this stage, the first stage here, we'll be treating him with stimulant bio. Stimulant bio to stimulate the plant, to show the plant that you have to stand with force. You first start with stimulant bio. After you throw insecticides, you treat it with insecticide in case any illness wanted to affect the root. That's how you're just transferring the new in a new place. So if any insect wanted to disturb the root, so you first treat it with insecticides. After the insecticide, you'll go in stimulant bio. You can treat the stimulant bio like that 2 times. So you guys, you should follow on my YouTube channel Agro Exploration to see as how the measurement as how we'll be treating the farm, and the quantity as how they'll be treating the farm. So you are a businessman, an investor, you can invest. I can advise you to invest like inside pineapple agriculture, because it's something that you don't have to take too much pressure or time. So far you have already started like this. It's ahead. That's how your industry will be increasing, because when you produce, it will move sucker. When you harvest, it will move sucker, so that you should put another farm again. So because, like, for example, this is our sucker that we move from our old farm and supply it to this woman, and she is still paying also that we should supervise. So you that you are interested, you can follow my YouTube channel, or you can contact me so that I should come and show you how to succeed in your pineapple agriculture. If you have project in pineapple, such to move very beautiful and healthy pineapple natural, you guys can see. Thank you. Follow for more, subscribe and like and share.